Chapter 18. Conjunctions. Read the following sentences. She must eat the medicine or she will fall sick again. Did you know that he was a scientist? He will pass if he puts in hard work. I cannot see how she can do bungee jumping. All the words printed in italic type are called conjunctions because they join together two sentences. In sentence 1, the conjunction or joins together the clauses that are independent of each other, that is, are of equal rank. Such conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions. In sentence 2, 3 and 4, the conjunctions that, if and how join clauses of unequal rank. One is the main or independent clause. The other is a clause depending on or limiting the main clause. Such conjunctions are called subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. 1. Cumulative or copulative. By these conjunctions, one statement or fact is simply added to another as and trust is God and do the right. Both and he was both caught and penalized. As well as his brother is lazy. No less than his friend is greedy. Not only, but also. He was not only fined, but also expelled. 2. Alternative or disjunctive. By these conjunctions, an alternative or choice is offered between two statements as either or, either he is good or he is crazy. Neither nor, neither a borrower nor a lender be. Or she must go or she will miss the bus. Otherwise, else, work hard, else or otherwise you will not pass. 3. Adversative. These conjunctions express opposition or contrast between two statements as but he is slow, but he is steady. Till, yet, he is very sick till or yet he has come to the office. Nevertheless, he had no chance of success, nevertheless he persevered. Whereas, while. Wise men love virtue, whereas or while fools shun it. Only you may stay in the room, only make no noise. 4. Elative. By these conjunctions, one statement or fact is inferred or proved from another as therefore he was found stealing and therefore he was arrested. So, consequently, he did not work, so or consequently he failed. 4. He will pass for he works very hard. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions can be classified as follows. 1. Time. I would die before I lied. Wait till or until I return. Many things have happened here since you left. Make hay while the sun shines. I returned home after the sun had set. He will do it as soon as he comes. I found it as I was walking to school. 2. Cause or reason. I love her because she is beautiful. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 12. 3. Result or consequence. She wept so much that she fell ill. He was so intelligent that he won the first prize. 4. Purpose. We eat that we may live. He works hard that he may pass. Walk carefully lest you should fall. 5. Condition. I will dismiss you if you are late again. I agree to those terms provided you agree to mine. Unless you tell me the truth, I shall punish you. 6. Concession or contrast. A book's a book, although there is nothing in it. He is an honest man, although he is poor. He is not contented, though he is very rich. He will never pass, however hard he may try. 7. Comparison. He is as clever as I am. I like her as much as I like you. He likes me no less than means he likes you. He is more intelligent than you are. 8. Extent or manner. He ran as if he had been shot. It looks as though we are going to have a storm. Men will reap as they sow. He chose the candidates as they were qualified. Correlative conjunctions. Certain conjunctions are often used in pairs. Hence, these are called correlative conjunctions, the common nest are either or. He is either a rogue or a fool. Either take it or leave it. Neither nor. He was neither gay nor sad. He is neither a rogue nor a fool. Though yet. Though he might slay me, yet I will trust him. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Both and. He is both a poet and a photographer. We both loved and honored her. Such as. There is no such place as paradise. She is not such a woman as you think. Such that. Such was his love for her that he sacrificed even his life for her sake. So as. He is not so righteous as you think. He is as clear as crystal. As so. As you sow, so shall you reap. As the child is, so is the man. So that. He was so tired that he could hardly walk. He was so poor that he could not pay the hospital bill. Scarcely when. He had scarcely recovered from typhoid when he caught jaundice. He had scarcely reached the station when it began to rain. Not only, but also. He is not only a priest, but also a doctor. He is not only honest, but also sincere. No sooner then. No sooner did the bell ring than the pupils went home. No sooner had she heard the news than she caught the train. No sooner does he arrive than he begins work. Correct usage of correlative conjunctions. When the correlative conjunctions either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also are used, care must be taken to place the first member, that is, the words either, neither, both, not only, immediately before the words that are contrasted. Incorrect. Your brother was either there or your sister. Correct. Either your brother was there or your sister was there. Incorrect. Neither he is a priest nor a doctor. Correct. He is neither a priest nor a doctor. Incorrect. He both obtained a prize and a scholarship. Correct. He obtained both a prize and a scholarship. Incorrect. Not only you should learn how to read Hindi, but also how to speak it. Correct. You should learn not only how to read Hindi, but also how to speak it. Neither is always followed by nor. I have neither visited nor, not or, spoken to her. Neither his sister nor, not or, his mother met me. Scarcely is followed by when and not by then. Scarcely had he left when, not then, the car came to pick her. Scarcely had he reached the station when, not then, the train started. No sooner is followed by then and not by but. No sooner had the race begun than he fainted, not but. No sooner had he left than he came back again, not but. Rather and other are followed by than and not by but. Incorrect. I would have the shirt rather but the shoes. Correct. I would have the shirt rather than the shoes. Incorrect. He had no other work but that of begging at the store. Correct. She had no other work than that of begging at the store. The word like is often wrongly used for as. Incorrect. He did like he was told to do. Correct. He did as he was told to do. Incorrect. She dances like her mother does. Correct. She dances as her mother does. In contracted sentences, conjunctions are often wrongly omitted after adjectives. Incorrect. She is more decent but not so kind-hearted as her mother. Correct. She is more decent than but not so kind-hearted as her mother. Incorrect. She is as pretty if not prettier than Anita. Correct. She is as pretty as if not prettier than Anita. Unless means if not. Hence, the word not should not be introduced in the clause beginning with unless. Incorrect. Unless you do not work hard, you will fail. Correct. Unless you work hard, you will fail. Incorrect. Unless you do not apologize, I shall punish you. Correct. Unless you apologize, I shall punish you. Lest means so that, not, for fear that, and is in modern English followed by should. Take care lest you should faint. He ran fast lest he should miss the train. That should never be used before a sentence in the direct narration or after a verb denoting a question in the indirect narration. Incorrect. He said that I am not going home. Correct. He said I am not going home. Incorrect. He asked that how I was feeling. Incorrect. He asked how I was feeling. Incorrect. He inquired that where was the post office. Correct. He inquired where the post office was. Incorrect. He asked me that whether the principal had gone. Correct. He asked me whether the principal had gone. Since, when it is used as a conjunction, it is always followed by a verb in the simple past tense. Incorrect. A decade passed since my grandmother had died. Correct. A decade has passed since my grandmother died. Incorrect. A month passed since Mr. Sharma is coming here. Correct. A month has passed since Mr. Sharma came here. Incorrect. 2 months passed since the principal had left school. Correct. 2 months have passed since the principal left school. Before, when it is used as a conjunction with reference to some future event, it is never followed by a verb in the future tense, even if the verb is the principal clause in future. Incorrect. The plants will die before the rains will fall. Correct. The plants will die before the rains fall or have fallen.